Hello friends, today we will discuss about fatty liver. Around 30% of population is suffering from fatty liver. If we do ultrasonography of obese patients having belly fat, we find around 60% people are suffering from fatty liver. The fatty liver later on progresses to hepatitis, cirrhosis, cancer and liver failure. So to avoid these complications, it is better to treat fatty liver, but fatty liver cannot be treated or cannot be cured by medications. But the good news is that fatty liver can be reversed with lifestyle modifications like good diet and exercise. So which type of diet and which exercise is important in fatty liver, we will discuss in this video. I welcome you on Dr. PM English channel. I request you to subscribe to channel and like this video and share this video, because we share scientific and authentic information on the channel. Watch this video till the end so that you will not miss important information. There are two types of the fatty liver. The first is alcoholic fatty liver and the other is non-alcoholic fatty liver. Excess consumption of alcohol leads to the alcoholic fatty liver. Non-alcoholic fatty liver is caused by diabetes, insulin resistance, high BP, high cholesterol, high triglyceride, obesity. So for reversing the fatty liver, first we will discuss what diet should be consumed in fatty liver. The first tip about the diet is that avoid saturated fat and trans fat. If you consume in large amounts saturated and trans fat, the chances of fatty liver increases and the disease progresses into the further stages. So you should avoid saturated and trans fat. Red meat, processed and packed foods contains large amount of the saturated and trans fat. Fried food, junk food, fast food, this should be avoided to limit the intake of saturated and trans fat in your diet. The next tip in fatty liver patient is that you should avoid high carbohydrate diets. The carbohydrate intake in your diet should be low, because intake of high carbohydrate, there is insulin resistance is seen, and this insulin resistance further leads to fatty liver and other chronic diseases like diabetes, hypertension, high cholesterol and triglyceride. So to protect yourself from these diseases, you should take less amount of the carbohydrates. Wheat and rice contain maximum amount of carbohydrate. Around 80% of carbohydrates are seen in wheat and rice. So you should avoid wheat and rice in your daily diet and the products which are made from the wheat and rice. You should also avoid potato, corn, because these items also contain a lot of carbohydrates. So how will you replace wheat and rice in your diet? For that you can make dal millet roti. So this dal millet roti is prepared by 25% of the millets, that contains jowar and bajri, and 75% of the dals, legumes or pulses like green gram, black gram. You can use other pulses also. So the pulses you like, you take 75% of the pulses and 25% of the millet, and with this flour make dal millet roti. This dal millet roti will help you to reduce the amount of carbohydrate in your diet. The next tip is that avoid sugars. Friends, high intake of sugars leads to insulin resistance. So you should limit sugar intake in your diet. The white sugar addiction is the most commonly seen addiction in the world. If we compare to the smoking and alcohol, it is the most common addiction and leads to the many diseases. You should also avoid sweets, fruit juices, soda drinks, soft drinks. All these fruit juices and drinks contain lot of sugar. The processed food, packed food, this is packed with lot of sugars. These are not good for our health. The processed and packed food contain sugars, saturated fat and trans fat, and salt in excess amount. This is a deadly combination and it will lead to the many complications in your body. So keep in mind, you should avoid high sugary drinks, white sugar, and this will help to reverse the fatty liver. Now the next important point about diet in fatty liver is that you should increase the intake of protein. So protein intake in your diet should be good. For good protein intake, you can take white eggs. Remove the yellow part of the egg and you can consume the white egg safely. You should also increase the intake of fish, and instead of fried fish, you should take grilled or steamed fish. This is good for health. You can take sprouts, seeds like soybean seed, pumpkin seeds, nuts like almond, pista. So these nuts are also very healthy. You can also increase the intake of soya chunks, tofu and the dairy products. So you can consume low fat dairy product. The cow milk has a low fat content. It is good for health. You can also take curd and paneer. The next point is that you should increase the intake of fiber. So fiber is very important. It slows down the passage of the food in your intestine, so that the sugar levels are not increased in a short span of time. Fruits and vegetables are very important because this delays the absorption of sugar from intestine. Because of delayed absorption, the sugar level spikes are not seen, because if sugar rises very rapidly after intake of the foods which rapidly dissolves in your stomach, this food increases the sugar levels in short period of the time. So this increased sugar levels causes the increased insulin secretion, and this leads to the insulin resistance. So avoid this insulin resistance. You should increase the intake of fiber in your diet. So good fiber is present in the vegetables, fruits, salads. So you should increase the intake of the cucumber, radish. All these salads, vegetables and fruits will help you to protect in fatty liver disease. In short, we will discuss about what kind of plate should be taken by the fatty liver patient. So this plate should contain 50% of fruits, vegetables and salads. Out of these, 75% should be salads and vegetables and 25% should be fruits. Now the remaining 50% of the plate, 25% should be filled with proteins. Okay, as we have already discussed about the proteins. Now the 25% plate, we should take the dal millet roti. Okay, we have also given the recipe in our channel about the dal millet roti. It is also very healthy, so you should take dal millet roti. Now the next point is that intermittent fasting. So how intermittent fasting helps in patients of fatty liver? For intermittent fasting, I have made a separate video if you want to know detail about the intermittent fasting. So in short, I will tell in this video about the intermittent fasting. In intermittent fasting, there is a eating window and fasting window. So eating window should be of 8 hours and fasting window should be of 12 hours. In this eating window, if you take breakfast at 10 AM in the morning, you should take your lunch around 1 PM and you should take your dinner around 6 PM. So you should finish your breakfast, lunch and dinner within a period of 8 hours, and remaining 16 hours you should not include anything in your diet. Only you can take in water in 16-hour fasting window. So this is also very helpful for reversal of the fatty liver. It also helps to reversal of other chronic diseases like diabetes, hypertension, high cholesterol and high triglycerides. If you find it difficult to follow the 16-hour fasting window, you can reduce it to 14 hours or 12 hours, but at least you should follow 12-hour fasting window and 12-hour eating window. That will be very helpful in fatty liver patients. Now, as we have already told that obesity causes the fatty liver. So there is a study done in Australia and California, and this Australian study and California study have shown that if you reduce 10% of your body weight, the chances of fatty liver decreases. If you already have fatty liver, there is a reversal of fatty liver is seen. So it is very important to maintain healthy weight. Your body mass index should be between 18.5 to 25. And if you reduce your body weight by 10%, it will add to your health benefit and it will help to reverse fatty liver. Now the next most important part about fatty liver is exercise. Diet and exercise, these are the most important things. So in exercise, we should include aerobic exercises and weight training exercises. In aerobic exercises, we do exercises like brisk walking, jogging, running, cycling, swimming, dancing. Weight training exercises, we do exercises like weightlifting, dips. So these both type of exercises should be combined. So aerobic exercises, the brisk walking exercises is very good. It is a low impact exercise and everyone can do it easily without any investment. So for that, you should walk 40 minutes in the morning. The walking speed should be around 100 to 120 steps per minute. and you should walk 20 minutes after lunch and dinner. So total 40 minutes in the morning, 20 minutes after lunch and 20 minutes after dinner. Total you should walk around 80 minutes in a day. So walking speed in the morning should be brisk walking, and after walk you should do normal walk. So while walking after the meals, the walking should be around 80 to 90 steps per minute. So this brisk walking will help you to lower the insulin resistance, and it will dissolve fat in your liver. In USA, the study about coffee intake is done, and it is seen that if you take 3 cups of a coffee in a day without adding any sugars to it, reverses the fatty liver. It helps in the fatty liver. So coffee intake is good in fatty liver, but you should not add sugars into the coffee. You can use stevia or sugar-free sweeteners to sweeten your coffee. Friends, this probiotics also seen very helpful in the fatty liver. Probiotics, we can take curd or yogurt in your diet. So these are the healthy probiotics. You can also purchase Yakult from the market. Yakult is a probiotic which is made by Amul. This is also good for the health. The other probiotics you can take which you like. So many people having fatty liver are suffering from diabetes, high cholesterol, high BP. So these patients should control their cholesterol levels, their sugar levels. If we use metformin and atorvastatin to control high sugar and high cholesterol level, it is seen by scientific studies that it helps to reverse the fatty liver along with good diet and exercise. So it is very important to follow healthy lifestyle modifications, and these healthy lifestyle modifications will help you to reverse fatty liver. It will also help you to avoid the complications of fatty liver in future, like hepatitis, cirrhosis, cancer, liver failure. So to avoid all these complications, to avoid all expenses and mental agony, you should start these changes from today, from this moment. If you have any query, you can write in the comment box. Thank you very much.